Good day everybody, and welcome back to DX Explorer for one more video. Today is going to be a very short one, I think, a quick update regarding the PCB board designs that I'm usually posting on the blog articles. I promised some while ago to a lot of people that I'm going to post this Sunday that just passed the PCB design project files that you can actually order the PCB boards from PCB Way. But I scrapped everything, all the PCB design, and I started over, and I will explain why I did that. So when I started to post these PCB board designs in the blog articles, it was meant for us to build PCB boards using the toner transfer method. And in time, thanks to the people watching the videos or the blog readers, I ended up making adjustments to those PCB board designs so they are easy to be made at home using the toner transfer method. So I used thicker traces, I used thicker pads, so it's going to be easy to drill the holes and solder the components and so on. And to do that, I ended up making a custom components library that I was using, so I can kind of have all the components that I'm using most of the time in all the projects. They were custom built, and this way I had everything organized, so it was easy for me to do any PCB board design. Now, because I was using Express PCB in the past to draw the schematics and also the PCB boards, right now I switched to Eagle thanks to my buddy Andre, Yankee Oscar 6 Tango Juliet Juliet from Raw Waves. And this way, right now I can actually export the Gerber files and upload them to PCB Way, so you can also order PCB boards if you don't want to build them at home using the toner transfer method. But because I know a lot of blog readers cannot afford to buy PCB boards and they want to build them at home, I'm also trying to keep that toner transfer method going as well on the blog article. So when you download the folder with the files, you have the schematic, you have a couple of information and details. In the information file, it's a text file, you also have the download link when you can go and order the PCB boards if you want to. You have PDF file, which is the usual print this. Usually you print that one, and over there you have the PCB board design and the slick screen, you know, the components notations that are usually printed on the front side of the PCB board. So yeah, I'm still trying to keep these for those people that cannot afford to buy PCB boards. So because I didn't want to work twice, I will have to rebuild all that custom components library that I used to have in the past right now into Eagle. So this way it's going to be easy for toner transfer method, and also it's going to be easy for me because I only have to do one design, and this way I will also be able to export the Gerber files so we can all order PCB boards if we want to. So yeah, I'm a little late because I realized that after I nearly finished the design for the Sputnik VGA receiver, I actually did this PCB board design that I did for my latest video about the laser transmitter. I'm going to update that one as well, and I'm going to replace it on the, because it's already available on PCB Way if anybody wants to order the board. But I'm going to update that one as well with the new custom components. So yeah, this way it's going to be easy to be built by everybody, even using homemade PCB boards using the toner transfer method. So yeah, I just wanted to say that it's going to take me probably a few more days just to finish building all that custom components library, and then I'm going to start replacing slowly all the downloadable folders available in the blog article for all the past projects that I worked until now. So probably I'm going to start with this simple transmitter just because it's the latest one, and then I'm going to do the Sputnik region receiver because that's the most requested one, and then I'm going to start going backwards from the latest ones that I posted on the blog and the YouTube channel, and then go backwards to the projects that I built a long time ago. So yeah, anyway, this week I'll figure it out, and I'm going to slowly start replacing all those files. Another thing is that I have to say sorry for not posting so often right now, but for a long time I wanted to get into landscape photography. I started actually in 2019, slowly getting into landscape photography, but it took me a while because I had a lot of things to deal with. I did other things as well, like job-wise, and yeah, I didn't have the time. So right now, probably like 2 months ago, I got back into photography like full-time, and it's a little bit busy for me right now, trying to do a lot of things, trying to prepare a lot of things, and going out taking photos. So I don't have so much time for the X Explorer, but I'm pretty sure that bad weather days will come and I'll be stuck in the house. Also winter will come, and I'm probably not going to go so often to do photography, so I'll have a lot of time for projects. Lately I didn't even have time to turn on my TrueSDX to do any QSOs, so yeah, I've been really busy. For that reason I'm not posting so often on the channel. I don't even have time to actually play around and build anything. So yeah, it's probably until the end of September it's going to be like this. I'm going to post a video every time I have the time, but you know, work is work, free time is free time, so yeah, I enjoy spending my free time doing radio stuff, but most of the time I spend working. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for sticking around to those to the older ones that are subscribed. I'm sorry to my friends that I used to talk very often on WhatsApp or emails in the past, that I'm very quiet right now, but to be honest, I don't have much time for social media and to stay online and this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm spending a lot of time going out and taking photos. So yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, I'll be back before the end of the week. I'm going to finally post the PCB design for the Sputnik region receiver. Right now I'm actually working on rebuilding all that custom components library, and then once I'm done, I can finally start redesigning all the PCB boards from the past. And everything else I'm going to build in the future is going to be very easy for me because I have like a standard that I'm working with, and I don't have to keep building custom components. So yeah, that would be great, and I'm really excited that I can actually finally order PCB boards, and because right now I don't have the time to make my own PCB board using the toner transfer method, because I don't have a laser printer, and I have to keep running all over the place trying to find a place where I can print them. Sometimes the printers in that place, the paper gets stuck and I run out of papers, and I have to order more transfer paper, and you know, it's like a total nightmare sometimes. So yeah, if I'm trying to build like a test board just to test the circuit, see if it works and how well it works, I can just do like a homemade PCB using a marker, and I will etch that board very quick, see if it works, and if it works fine, then I can do a proper PCB design and order the boards. And this way I have some nice projects that I worked, and I can keep them for a lifetime. I don't have to keep rebuilding and remaking every time I'm finding a way to make nicer PCB boards. So yeah, it's trying to make my life easier as well and have long-lasting projects that keep as a memory, that I can keep as a memory, and also use them in the future, because you know, I mean, I'm building stuff and I'm testing, but I never get to play with all the stuff that I'm building, because usually it's all this rush to build stuff so I can put on YouTube and on the blog articles, but I don't get to enjoy the hobby too much. So I'm trying to organize myself a little bit and try to find that balance so I can do a little bit of everything, and you know, I get to actually enjoy the hobby, not just doing YouTube videos. So anyway, thanks so much for all your support, and thank you for the patience with the PCB board designs. But yeah, I'll be back soon. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you very soon. Probably I'm going to post one more video this week, and then after that I'll be back next week or whatever when I have time. But yeah, until the end of September, I'm going to try to update all these files and the download folders from the blog articles, and also trying to see if I can add or remove anything from the blog articles if anything is out of date, and also links on YouTube in the video descriptions and so on. And once I'm organized with everything, then my life is going to be easier, and I'm going to have more time to build stuff and actually get on air as well. And I keep trying to learn the Morse code so I can do CW. My friend Vlad, Yankee Oscar 5, Bravo, what was his call sign? Bravo Delta Lima, yeah, Yankee Oscar 5, Bravo Delta Lima. He's having a lot of fun doing CW, so I want to join him, especially now because I'm going to have a lot of videos coming later on very simple CW transmitters and transceivers and so on. So I want to play around with those, and the best way is to actually use them on air. And yeah, I need to find some time to also learn the code. Who knows, maybe when I'm doing landscape photography and I'm walking up in the mountains or in the woodland, I'm just going to practice receiving CW on my phone. We'll see about that. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Until next time, 73, and have an amazing week.